Design is a passion that all SOLIDWORKS users share. It's what drives you to innovate, create, and build. And now, your SOLIDWORKS subscription can enable you to pursue that passion like never before. Frustrated with disconnected design sharing and collaboration tools? Remove the friction by enabling others to view and comment on your 3D designs. There's no need to send a physical file or download special viewers. With a secure link, you can accelerate your designs with immediate feedback from those you trust. Ready to take the next step in productivity? You now have access to an online hub for storage and collaboration. Design from anywhere using secure, CAD-aware cloud storage. Your data is organized, references are managed, and custom properties are captured. Do you need to work on a design with others on your team? Simply lock it to ensure no one overwrites your work. If you need to do more with your data, we have you covered. Capture design ideas from anywhere and reference them right from SOLIDWORKS. Tired of managing your revisions in the file name? Integrated revision management is just a click away. And when you're done with a design, don't move it to a new network folder, just set it to released. And that's just the start. These capabilities are scalable. Formal issue tracking, change management, and approvals are ready when you are. Don't let the uninspiring parts of product development get in the way of your passion to design. Take advantage of these new possibilities and pursue your passion without limits.